Need to run some errands. I have to buy a new rug. And I kind of want a harness for my little dog. Never mind, I don't want a harness. Look at his toes. What are you doing? Hi. Which one's better? Oh no, I can't decide. This purple harness is literally half the price. Did not get what I originally walked in there for, which was a rug. I didn't get a rug. Haul time. Starting off from Petco, it has a handle, which I love because you have more control over your animals when you hold them. Then I also got this poop bag. Why the hell was this $15? Moving on to Home Goods. I showed you guys how much this harness was at Petco. I got it for half the price. I was originally just looking for a harness for my little dog, but then I saw this one and I was like, oh, I have to get them both. I also got this for my cat. You know, the thing about this I feel like will justify me spending money is that technically these things aren't for me, they're for my kids. This one will be for my cat's food, and then this one will be for my cat's water. I also got a dog bed, a new dog bed. I put this right next to my nightstand. I have gold accents in my room, so I thought this would just be like the perfect addition. It's later in the day. I'm gonna go meet up with my cameraman to do our favorite little hobby. I want to jump in this water.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It looks very refreshing. Look at that cute little boat. That could be me and you. I got this for when I go to the beach. This is from Pottery Barn, but it was on sale, so it was about $100 off. So I only paid 50 bucks for it, which is honestly not that bad. I mean, compared to 150, I'll gladly spend 100. And this is so adorable. Let's try to fold this back up. Let me read the instructions. That looks too hard. This is a problem for cameraman. Divorced her husband.
Yeah.
She was tired of that fire heat.
That what?
That fire heat. Uh-oh, I think I put too much dressing. My core. Oh my god, our stuff is not gonna fit on that paddleboard. Delicious. And I'm vegetarian. This ones look good, but I'm vegetarian. I'm gonna be like being faced on.
Wanna hide the fact that the thrill they
Hello! Technical difficulties. Well. We're gonna go find the snorkel spot.
Them two right now. Oh! Hey, those are actually really good. What the? Yo, are you good?
Oh, my butt feels bruised. Man, I really fumbled that. We made it back to the car. It looks like it's gonna rain.
Definitely does, or it's gonna be just really lucky.
What?
He's about to hit that pole. I was just thrift shopping. I found this. His and hers. Boob job fun, new boat fun. Anyway, I bought a new earring. That's adorable. I need to clean my room. It's really bad. I'm about to do some transitions real quick. Not the bra. What happened there? I'm about to get a massage.
Oh my. Get on that right now.
You're praying on my downfall, though.
But be careful, be careful.
Get on it, but be careful.
You got to stop.
Finally got my rug. I'm also getting a new bed. Guys, so many new things. Let's rewind to last summer. Oh! You just broke my bed. Yeah, cameraman broke my bed. I finally got a bed and it's gonna get here Wednesday. But in the meantime, let's put this rug out.
Both ways, like that. With them guys, shit. Stay over there. I'm stay over here.
This is how the desk turned out. It's tiny, but I'm entering my minimalistic era. This was the final touch. I'm back from a girls trip. I will post that vlog after this vlog. While I was gone, I got my bed. I'm so excited to finally sleep in my bed. I always love coming back from a trip. Going back to my routine, because I actually like my routine, guys. Let me open this, because both my packages came. Ooh. I got LED lights, and then my bed. That's gonna be a project for tomorrow. Actually, that might be a project for cameraman. I should make him build the entire thing on his own because he broke my old one. Oh! I should send him the tab. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when I decide to build this damn bed. I have to unpack. Where the fuck are the instructions? Oh, here they are. Oh wow, this will be super easy. Go, Kendall, go! Were you even a Kendrick Lamar stan to begin with? Because I
Yes.
think you were. So, what's your favorite song?
Bam.
You know.
Baby, yes!
Stop, you scared me. What the hell? Nicole deleted his
Yeah, because he
diss.
knew he was gonna get smacked up. You apologized too.
Bruh,
You
because you
apologized.
realize too old to be beefing. We're
60%
we're
through.
basically done. I need you to come support this for me. Okay, big brain. Oh my god. Wow, baby, we're almost done.
I'm in the man. I got the draw like a man. Yeah, give me the bands. Give me the bands. Give me the motherfucking guap. I got the Glock, gotta get motherfucking dance.